So hello guys, welcome back in my new video. So guys, today our topic is try our 13 top new year's resolutions complete with the teach you will need to succeed. It's time to shoot off 2020 and we have a big design product to try that are good for your mind, your body and your career with our suggestions for tech apps and services to support you. You have an excellent chance of actually keeping these resolutions. You don't have to love New Year's resolutions to take a moment to reset some part of your life on January 1st. There's absolutely no reason you have to wait for any particular time to stop smoking or exercise more, but there is undeniably a psychological hook for committing to making some changes at New Year's. After a particularly rough 2020, the start of 2021 feels like an excellent time to make some changes. Below are 13 suggestions for changes to make in 2021. They are broken into three groups: good for your mind, good for your body, and good for your career. Good for your mind. Start therapy. If you had benefit from therapy and would not honestly, online sessions now make it easier than ever to sign up and try it. Online therapy tends to be low cost and sometimes covered by insurance. Many services let you use either a mobile device or your computer to connect. If you and your therapist don't mesh, you can request a new one without having an uncomfortable confrontation. Some of the most well-known services are Doctor on Demand, BetterHelp, Talkspace, and MDLive. If you are not ready for talk therapy quite yet, there's also Moodpath, an app for tracking symptoms and feelings related to anxiety and depression. Meditate. How do you learn to meditate and keep it as a practice? Meditation apps do both. Most of them offer guided meditation with instruction for beginners as well as a log of how many minutes you spend each day practicing. Some apps have silent meditation sessions that use simple timers to track your practice as well as timed sessions that use natural soundscapes for white noise. A few apps worth checking out are Headspace Meditation Studio, 10% Happier, and Insight Timer. If you are curious to try a device that gives you real-time feedback about how well you manage to calm your mind, take a look at Moose, as it's a fascinating headband that reads your brain waves while you meditate and uses audio cues to tell you how you are doing. Journal. Keeping a diary is one of the best ways to preserve your memories and a great New Year's resolution. If you are new to journaling and need help remembering to write each day or want prompts to guide you, there are some great apps and methods to try, some of which use real paper. For example, the 5-minute journal is a popular paper journal that gives you daily writing prompts focused on positivity. There is an app version 2 for Android and Apple mobile devices. Another app is Day 1 for Android, Apple mobile devices, and Mac OS, which is great for busy people if it lets you write free form if you want, or fill out a template when you need guidance. If you have read The Artist Way by Julia Cameron, you might like Morning Pages. The app is not affiliated with Cameron. Morning Pages is a journaling technique popular among creative types. It involves writing long hand for 3 full pages about anything at all on your mind. You can write tasks you need to do or vent about an argument with a family member. The purpose is to clear the clutter from your mind in one giant brain dump. The app version encourages you to dictate 500 words per day instead. Learn a language. Another way to stimulate the mind is by learning or practicing a different language. With so many excellent language learning apps on the market these days, there's hardly an excuse not to put in a few minutes a day. Duolingo is easily the best free app on the market for beginners and intermediate level learners alike. Be sure to explore the stories featured in Duolingo for select languages as well as Duolingo podcast for Spanish, French, and English. Rosetta Stone is also a topic, and it's better if you want to sit and really focus on learning for 30 to 60 minutes per day. I hope guys you enjoy this video. So guys, please like this video guys. See you in next video. Take care. Goodbye.